Break the bitch down in the 36 hours. Look at here, bitch, I'm A-OK. Shawty won't fuck by myself, I was looking for you still. You ain't even push yourself, I was pushing for you still. Wasn't giving me a heart, but I took it from you still. Trust nobody, if you ain't tryna stay forever, baby, don't come by me. Cause like, ooh, I get in my moves. I get in my feelings with them killers in the room. Told me that you love me, I could tell it ain't the truth. Would've come to dance, but you had no busting out the room.
To be honest, I don't think this radio is that good. I mean, it's pretty much $180, give or so. But the audio quality is not on point. I mean, it's cool, okay? It's Android, okay? So you have some stuff when it works. The cons are too bad. And if you have a radio that doesn't radio, why the F would you even bother buying it? Nah, I prefer the last radio, the Sony one.